Most people are used to watching content whenever they want. You finish work, open Netflix or YouTube, press play and relax. Simple, predictable, comfortable. Live streams work differently. They happen at a specific moment, a moment you either join or you miss. So why do millions still choose something that requires timing in a world built around convenience? Today we'll break down exactly what Twitch is, how live streams function, and why live content still has a place in modern online culture. What is Twitch? Understanding live streaming in 5 minutes. Chapter 1. What a live stream really is. A live stream is content happening in real time. No editing, no rewinding the moment it happens. You see things exactly as they unfold. It's not a polished video, it's not curated, it's not controlled. It's a live moment, shared simultaneously by everyone watching. And because it's unfiltered, live streams often feel more genuine than anything recorded or produced afterward. Chapter 2. Why Twitch feels different. On Twitch, you're not just watching, you're present. Your message in chat appears instantly. Your emote reflects your reaction. Your presence helps shape the atmosphere of the stream. And that creates something rare online, a sense of being seen. Not by thousands, but by a real person, interacting with their community in real time. This isn't about creating noise or competing for attention. It's about the simple fact that interaction, when live, feels meaningful. Chapter 3. The Chat, a digital room. Think of the chat like entering a room where a conversation is already happening. Some people type a lot, some just watch quietly. Both are valid. The atmosphere of the chat, whether calm or active, is part of the experience. People react together, they laugh together, they comment on the same moment at the same time. Even silent viewers feel the presence of others through the scrolling messages and the streamer's reactions. A good stream chat doesn't pressure you. It simply gives you the option to join the room when you feel ready. Chapter 4. Why people watch live streams. People watch live streams for many different reasons. Companionship. After a long day, having someone talk in real time feels more comforting than watching another edited video. It's a steady background presence that makes the evening feel less empty. Routine. Some viewers join the same stream every day, simply because it becomes part of their evening rhythm. That predictability gives structure in an otherwise noisy world. Authenticity. Live streams show real reactions, real mistakes, and real moments, nothing filtered. For many, this unedited honesty is more refreshing than any highly produced video. Low social pressure. You can join silently, you can write if you feel like it. Both are equally welcome, and the freedom to choose makes the experience more comfortable. You're not alone in front of a screen. You're part of a live experience, even if you never type a word. This shared moment creates a subtle but powerful bond. All of this creates an emotional environment that on-demand content can't fully replicate. Chapter 5. How to start watching. Getting started is simple. You don't need an account to watch Twitch. Just open the website, browse categories you enjoy, and pick a channel. If you want to chat or use emotes, you can create an account later. It only takes a moment. There is no right or wrong way to be a viewer. You can take your time, observe, and engage at your own pace. And because streams are live, you'll naturally find creators whose rhythm matches the way you like to relax. Chapter 6. The live event feeling. A live stream can feel like a small shared event, not dramatic, not overwhelming, just something that only happens once. A funny moment, a good play, a conversation. You experience it with everyone else who's there. This creates memories that on-demand videos simply can't replicate. You were there when it happened, and over time, these moments stack and turn a simple stream into a familiar place you return to. Live streams aren't just videos, they are shared moments, calm, interactive, and real. If you want to understand Twitch step by step and learn how to make the most of live streams as a viewer, subscribe and join me for episode 2. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video, or inside my lair.